Good evening, Delaware County. First, the good news. The Pennsylvania Department of Health COVID-19 data is tracking decreasing trends across all indicators for Delaware County. PCR testing positivity rate is now 9.4%, down from 13.9% in the previous 7 days. The incidence rate per 100,000 has also decreased from 214 residents in the previous 7 days to 116 per 100,000 residents. Also trending downward is the average COVID-19 specific hospitalizations, decreasing 41% from 155 to 91. Similarly, there has been a 28% decrease in average daily COVID-19 patients on ventilators in the past 7 days, from 18 to 13 individuals. While the test positivity rate is trending downward, it is still very high, suggesting that cases are significantly undercounted. Delaware County still remains at very high risk of transmission, a concern for the unvaccinated and those with underlying medical conditions. The Delaware County COVID-19 Task Force continues to offer vaccines and testing to the community. While the Delaware County Wellness Center in Yeadon is under construction, vaccinations are being provided at the Watkins Center in Upper Darby on Tuesdays and Fridays, and at the Keystone First Wellness Center on Wednesdays. Additional community vaccination clinics include Senator Kane's Health Fair at Chester City Hall on Thursday, February 17th, and the SEPTA 69th Street Terminal on Thursday evenings continues. We are offering both Pfizer and Moderna vaccines at our clinics for the primary series, third doses, and boosters. Pfizer pediatric formulation is available for ages 5 to under 12. Recent CDC guidelines have changed booster vaccine recommendations for the moderately to severely immunocompromised population. These individuals can now receive a booster shot of Moderna or Pfizer 3 months after their third vaccine dose. COVID testing will continue outside the Delaware County Wellness Center in Yeadon on Mondays and at the Keystone First Wellness Center in Chester on Wednesdays. Delaware County continues to partner with COVID-19 testing organizations, providing free PCR testing at Mercy Fitzgerald Hospital in Yeadon and the Delaware County Emergency Services Training Center in Sharon Hill. Rapid testing is also available at the Sharon Hill site. Check out the delcopa.gov website for vaccination and testing clinic dates, or call the Delaware County COVID-19 Health Line at 484-276-2100. The Delaware County COVID-19 Task Force is following the Pfizer pediatric clinical trial, now testing a 3-dose regimen for children 6 months to under 5. A third dose in this population will likely provide a high level of protection and will require a longer review period. In the interim, plans are in place for specialized vaccine training geared for this population for our staff and volunteers, and for collaborative efforts with pediatric practices in the community. Additionally, the task force continues its effort with our homebound population, delivering a total of over 3,600 vaccines to this group, including both COVID and flu vaccines. Plans are evolving to reach out to shelters in the county to offer both COVID testing and vaccination. This outreach will be accomplished in collaboration with community partners in the area. While trends are favorable in Delaware County and across the country, it is critical that we remain vigilant as we assess mitigation strategies and how they can be safely modified. Vaccine remains our most important tool in minimizing transmission of virus and subsequent variants. While we wait to get vaccine approved for our youngest population, we can all do our part to limit spread of infection and take an active role in bringing our community to a safe and healthy place to work and play. Thank you for your attention. I am always available for questions.